Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos tasty. Arrange chips in a single even layer on a baking sheet, leaving small gaps so heat circulates. Sprinkle a mix of shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack for flavor and melt. Add cooked toppings like seasoned beef or beans before baking. Finish with fresh toppings after baking to preserve texture and brightness. Serve hot and enjoy the contrast of crisp chips and gooey cheese. Layering makes a huge difference when building nachos, so think of it like edible architecture. Start with a base chip layer, then add cheese, then toppings, and repeat to build sturdy, flavorful stacks. This method keeps toppings from sliding off and ensures every chip gets gooey cheese. Use smaller handfuls of toppings per layer to avoid overloading. Finish with a quick broil to get bubbly, slightly brown cheese for texture. Toppings are where you personalize nachos, so choose contrasts that excite your taste buds. Bright, acidic items like pickled jalapenos or a squeeze of lime cut through richness and keep flavors lively. Fresh herbs, diced tomatoes, and crisp onions add color and crunch. A creamy component like guacamole or sour cream brings balance and soothes heat. Scatter toppings after baking so everything stays vibrant and textured.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.